Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today in this video we'll be going to see about data types and variable. So this is my second video, and if you have not seen the first video, which is the introduction to Python, then link will be given in the description. You could access the playlist because I have created the playlist of this video. This will be a lecture video. Please do subscribe my channel because I will be creating more and more videos regarding Python. If you want me to create more and more videos, then please do subscribe my channel. And today we will be going to study about data types and variable in Python. So first of all, what we will do, we'll just create a variable here, and the name of the variable we will give num. So what does this variable means? This variable means, say for example, you have one cup, or you have one bucket, or you have any type of container. So this num is just a bucket or a cup or a container where you can keep values. Okay, you can keep values. For example, in your bucket you keep water, in cup you keep any type of tea or coffee. So these are all values, these are all things which you keep inside the particular object. So like that, num is a container where you can store the value. Okay, so this num is a variable and the name of the variable is num, and I am storing the value with the help of assignment operator. What is assignment operator? It is the sign of equal to. So this equal to sign means the assignment operator. Okay, so I just place the equal to sign here, and then I will be typing here the value, and the value will be 1 0 10. So I have written here 10. So this 10 has been stored in the num variable. So I will just print the num variable, print, print, bracket open close, and then the name of the variable num. So you can see here that this num is a variable and I have stored the value 10 inside that variable, and then I just use that print function through which you can print anything in the console. So I have printing the variable. So when I will run this program, you can see here that 10 is showing in the console window. Okay, 10 is showing in the console window. This means that through the help of variable, so you can see here that this 10 has been printed in the console window. So this is a value. Say for example, you want to store any character or any string. What does string means? String means that the combination of numbers and alphabets, it's called string. Say for example, I am using this quotes, double quotes, and after that I am writing 2 3 and then ASAR, and then I'll clicking this run program, and you can see here exactly what I have written. 2 3 ASAR has been printed in the console. So what does it means? It means that the value has been stored inside the num variable, and this value is a string. Why it is a string? Because it is inside the double quotes. So whenever you want to create a string value, you have to use double quotes, and if you will use single quote, then what will happen? Then you can store any type of character. Say for example, I have written here G here, and I am giving the double quotes here. Okay, within the double quotes here, and I have written here G, and then I have printing this. So you can see here G has been printed. But if I will write more things like this, then I will print, so it has been printed. So here you can use this double quotes and single quotes for printing any type of string or character on your console window. So these are the two data types we have now learned. Number one is, what are the data types? There are mainly four type of data types. Number one is string data type, number two is double data type, then float data type, and string data type. So if you want to know the type of the data which is inside the variable, so just you will have to use this type function, type type, and then bracket open, and then you have to type the name of the variable whose data type you want to know, and then just close the brackets. Okay, just close the bracket and then run the program. So you can see here class str. This means that it is a string. Str stands for string type of variable. But if I change the value here, if I am changing the value and I'm just typing here 67 and then I'm running the program, so you can see here that int means an integer type of value. What does integer means? Without any type of floating point number, it is just an integer value. It is a not a decimal value, but it's a normal numbers, 1 2 3 4, like that, all the natural numbers. That's mean integer value. And when I will be typing here 67.45 and then I will be running the program, and you can see here it's showing float. What does float means? Float means floating point number, that is the decimal type of value. Okay, so these are the three data types we have learned yet, through which you can know that Python stores many type of data type. In Python you have string data type, number data type, floating point data type. So these are the three types of data type we have known here, and by the help of type function you can know the type of the data, and by the help of print function you can print the data which is stored inside the variable. So I hope that you would have understand that what is data types and what are the variables. If you have any type of doubt, you can just comment inside the video. Links will be given in the description for the first video. If you first check the first video, then come in this video, and please do like my share and subscribe my channel, and I will be meeting you in the next video.